Coachella, ano, tara?
Hi, I'm Ryan Wheeler from 95.9 Green FM's Music and Entertainment Department, and this is Worth the Hype! So, today we're gonna be talking about one of the most iconic music festivals held annually at the Colorado Desert, and that is Coachella. And today we're gonna be asking our fellow Lasalians if this year's Coachella is worth the hype!
So I'm here with...
Sarah.
Zarina.
Noel.
What do you feel about this year's Coachella?
Masaya naman kasi kahit wala ako doon, team bahay lang ako. Nandun yung Beanie, sobrang nakaka-proud.
Yun din, nakakatuwa siyang panoorin. Parang hype na hype ako.
Nakakatuwa, parang kasi syempre andun yung Beanie, nakaka-proud bilang Filipino. Magre-represent sa country mo sa ibang bansa, international with iba-ibang mga tao.
I was really amazed by Justin Bieber's performance.
Coachella is featuring more international artists than ever this year. Do you like this global direction?
Syempre naman, maganda din na umipili din sila ng ibang artist internationally. So nagkakaroon sila ng recognition, lalo na iba't iba yung culture.
It's nice to see that they're open to other music other than their music and hindi sila yung parang bias.
Yes, of course. Proud nga na ganun. Tapos syempre, makikilala rin yung culture ng bawat bansa.
Aside from the main headliners, who are you most excited to see? And why are they worth the hype?
Beanie ulit. Kasi, ayun nga, nakaka-proud na nandun sila.
Bieber.
Oh!
Kasi nakakatuwa yung kung paano siya nag-perform.
So, is this year's Coachella worth the hype?
Yes naman.
Worth the hype siya kasi it's fun talaga to watch.
Yes.
Yes, it's worth the hype.